Valorant error code 62 Vatican liras occurs when the game client cannot establish a proper connection with Riot Games servers. This issue is typically related to server-side problems or issues on the player's end that prevent communication with Riot's platform. Here are the solutions for this error. First, press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Riot Games processes like Valorant and League of Legends. Now close the Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close the Task Manager. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.